So, if you've ever had the opportunity to look at a drop of pond water under magnification, you will know that there is an entire world out there beyond our eyes. It is a teeming microcosm of life. If you've had that opportunity, then you're probably familiar with this next lineage of protists, probably the most famous, and those are the ciliates. So, this is a very large group of protists, and it's going to include probably the most famous protist that most people know about, I hope, the paramecium. And then maybe a little bit less known, but also very common in our pond water is the Stentner down below. So both of these protists are characterized by their cilia. So these are tiny little hair-like projections. They're organelles, and they characterize the lineage, hence the ciliates. They're used for different functions, though. So the paramecium is going to use those little cilia all along its outside, right? And it's going to use them like little oars. And so those projections are used for motion. It's going to allow that paramecium to swim. Cilia are different than flagella, singular flagellum, which is the long whip-like structure used for locomotion in some protists and bacteria. The Stentner down below, it's going to use its cilia to create currents to feed. So they're kind of like mouth parts. So take a moment and check out the video below of a really cool protist known as Didinium, and it is hunting its much larger prey, the paramecium.